I need to stay quiet. Oh, finally. They left. Can I get through there? Think. What do I do? What do I do?
A 1, and a 2, and a 3!
Dios mío.
You got me out here in my good pants sweating like an asshole.
Just like old times. Sure is good to see you again.
This'll be a blast, baby. It won't be long now.
Okay. I gotta move. I gotta think. Think, damn it. Oh, son of...
No use in delaying. Come on out. The closest help's over in East Jesus. Ain't nobody saving you. Come on, man, would you look at this mess? I got these pants up in Dallas. This ain't right at all.
This isn't good.
Where are you going, Houdini? Who's the freak? Who's the freak?
Guts. Oh, these people are monsters. That can't be. Damn.
Personal belongings linked to a missing Tulsa, Oklahoma couple were found last week. Police say Tim and Tyra Devine seemingly vanished overnight while on a trip through Texas Hill Country more than 6 months ago. The couple's vehicle was reportedly recovered near Cypress Mill last November, but no further evidence has been unearthed until now. Police say a wallet and pocketbook containing IDs matching the husband and wife were found scattered.
You're either flying or crying. Which one's it gonna be? Those teeth of yours gonna make a good-looking mouth heart.
Please, God, help me find a way to open this thing.
Don't worry, I'll get us out. I got you. You got this, Wyatt. All right, got it. This might jam that. You got this, Wyatt. You son of a bitch.
Your old ass is slower than molasses in January. I got other plans that need attending, so do me a solid and come out.